Hey guys, I'm Matt with Meat Church, and today we're gonna be making one of my favorite game recipes, chicken fried elk with my granny's gravy. Our first step is to get our frying oil ready. I like to use peanut oil because it has a higher smoke point, so I'm heating it here to 325 degrees. Then we wanna take our round steaks and we wanna pound them out. They're too thick, I wanna thin them out, and this will also help tenderize them. So I've got one laid on a piece of parchment paper. I'm gonna put another piece here on top, and I'm gonna thin these out. Now let's get into these round steaks. First, I'm gonna season them very lightly with our Meat Church Holy Cow. This is what I like to use on my wild game. It's got a good flavor profile, salt, pepper, garlic. I'm just lightly seasoning both sides of these round steaks. Next, we need to get our dredge ready. I'm gonna bring in some flour, and I'm gonna season that with some of our Voodoo. Mix it up. Next, we need to make our wash. I've got 4 eggs here. We're gonna make a beer batter, so I'm gonna add a little bit of beer. Now that that's nice and combined, it's time to dredge the elk. We're going to dredge, wash, dredge, so a double dredge. Doing this will get your steaks nice and coated. Good coat there. Slip it into the wash. And now back into the dredge. Nice, good coating. And let's do the other steak. Into the wash. There we go, now it's time to fry. We've got our oil up to temperature. I'm gonna check it with an instant read thermometer just to make sure. Yep, okay. We're golden. So now it's time to fry these steaks. Slip it in. I'm gonna cook these until they're golden brown. I like to flip them during the cook so that they cook nice and evenly on both sides. So these are just gonna take 3 or 4 minutes probably, but we're gonna watch them and see how they go. Now it's time to make my granny's gravy. First, we're gonna start out with our butter. Just get it melted. Honestly, it doesn't matter if you use salted or unsalted butter. Just use a good quality butter. I like Irish butters, European butters. They have a higher milk fat. It tastes a lot better. Next, let's whisk in our flour. Now that this flour is nice and cooked, we're gonna add our milk. I'm gonna stir quick. You wanna stir quick so it doesn't clump up. We're just gonna kind of heat this over medium until it thickens to the desired consistency, and then we're gonna season it. I love this gravy. My granny made it. Growing up in Alabama, this was on everything from breakfast to chicken fried steak. So this is definitely near and dear to my heart. But it's nice and thickened now, and so I'm gonna season it to taste with our Holy Cow, which is salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic. It's a nice taste, and then it's gonna be time to eat. This looks and smells amazing. I can't wait any longer, so it's time to eat. We've paired it with some rustic mashed potatoes and some green beans, but this is all about the chicken fried elk and gravy for me. So let's get in here and try this. Gotta get some gravy. Super good. The seasoned flour makes a huge difference. Lightly seasoning the steak. That Holy Cow really comes through in that, but man, this is a way to take a cheaper cut or a tougher cut and make it amazing. This is so good. For all of your outdoor cooking needs, visit your local Academy Sports and Outdoors or go to academy.com.